So we are given iron 55 and we're asked how many protons it has. In this case, the 55, as you'll recall, is the mass number. And so I have to use the fact that it's iron, and I have to go to a periodic table and I find iron. And iron, its symbol is Fe. And any periodic table, you should either be given a list that has names and symbols, or your periodic table probably has the name and the symbol on it. And so I find iron, and its symbol is Fe. And the big number on the top of the periodic table in the box with Fe is a 26. So the atomic number for iron is 26. And the atomic number always equals the number of protons. So since it's iron, I use iron to find the atomic number, and the atomic number always is the number of protons. So the atomic number is 26, and the protons are 26.